Hello, and welcome back to HABP News. Tonight I will be doing a segment on the dangers of sugar. We will be demonstrating this by some unhealthy drinks and healthy drinks. This glass of water represents the pure human body. And this Kool-Aid represents sugar and the dangers of it, and how fast it will take over the human body. As you can see, this Kool-Aid has quickly taken the water over, just like sugar will take over your body. Now, let's set this aside. Time for the taste test. This is apple cider vinegar. It is one of the healthiest drinks you can have. There is no added sugar. Now I'm going to taste test this healthy drink. That was really good. 2 thumbs up from this health critic. Now for the Kool-Aid test. This is a seriously unhealthy drink made almost of pure sugar. Let's give it a whirl. That Kool-Aid really wasn't all that bad. I really wonder why they make it out to be the enemy of all the sugar and stuff.
Is that a Kool-Aid man?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Where is it?
Whoa, it's almost like Jerry couldn't come over to film the second part to this. I'm Jerry. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God.
Wow.
No, please.